Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in Android learning series, we are going to learn the use of SQLite database. As we all know that in Android, SQLite is a default database that we are using and it is available in all Android phones available in the market. So just we have to use this database as per our requirement. So in this video, I will explain you how to use SQLite Open Helper class and SQLite Database class to handle the operations related to SQLite. So regarding this, I have used the screen. So in this screen, I will enter roll number, name, and branch. And there are four buttons: insert, display, update, and delete. One by one, I will cover in 4 or 5 video lecture all these topics. So here just you can design the layout. It's simple layout. I have designed all these things. These three are edit text. So roll number, name, and we have branches also, and we have buttons, 4 buttons: insert, display, update, and delete. So it's very easy to design. Anybody can design layout. So after designing a layout, we have to go to main. Here we have to initialize all these text box which we are using edit text and buttons. So for that, button, alt enter, button name, insert, update, delete, and display. Then edit text, you have roll number, name, and branch. Okay. Now we have to link all these things: roll number with roll number, find view by id, r dot id dot txt roll number, then name, txt name, then branch, find view by id, r dot id dot txt branch. Then you can take button, so insert equal to find by view id, r dot id dot button insert. Similarly, update, find by id, btn update, then delete, find view by id, r dot id dot btn delete, then display equal to find view by id, r dot id dot btn display. So like this you can link. Now I have to create a class that is for handling database operations, and I will insert the record as roll number, name, and branch. So first of all, I have to create a class. So right click on this package, new, and make a Java class. Java class name is my database helper. Okay, this class I'm creating, and in this class I will extend this class for SQLite open helper. Okay, so then I have to override some method. Two methods are there, and I have to make one constructor also, that is required. So this one constructor. So by this way it will create a onCreate method, onUpgrade method, and one constructor. So in this constructor I only need one parameter is called context, and other parameter I am deleting, because all these parameter I will supply, and one by one I will explain you also. So first of all we have to create a context. Context, you know very well what is context. So context means we are passing this here. So this is the context. We can initialize also dot context equal to context. If we require we can use, if we required, otherwise we don't need to use. This is the name. So this is the name of the DB, database name. So we put string final string and final and DB name equal to my DB. Okay, name is my DB. So this name I can pass here, DB name. Okay, sorry, database name here, and we have to put final here. So final string, we can declare it public also or private also as per your requirement. So I can declare it public if I require later on also. So this is DB name. Then factory is always we use null, and here the version is 1. So we are putting here final public int and version equal to 1. Okay. So we have to declare this variable public, static, and final. So these are static. It is compulsory to include database name, static, and version is also static, because they have to declare before the calling of the constructor. So we have to declare this public. So this have been completed. DB name, version. Why we are giving a version? Because whenever we make some changes in this file, so we have to increase the version. Otherwise it would not reflect in your application. So we have to make some changes, then increase the version. So after make some change, so this is first time we are creating, so we are not making any change. That's why we are giving a version 1. Now we are giving final static public table name string table name. Okay, table name, and table name is student. Okay, then we are giving here final static public string column name col1 col1 equal to first column roll number, roll roll number, then second column is static public string, then call underscore to table column name, we are giving name, then final one is static public string call underscore 3, and we are giving here branch. You can design the column name as per you required. In my application, I required roll number, name, and branch. So that's why I'm using these. My table name is student and database name is mydb. So you can change this information as you require in your application. Now we have to create a table. So for that, I'm also making a query. Final static public string query, okay, to create table. So what is the query? We have a create table, then table name is table name, then plus, then double quotes, space is must to give, the bracket, then we have to give call 1, so column name 1, then plus, and then double quotes, then space. Remember, space is compulsory to give all these space, then is a number, or we can say integer, okay, then second one integer, then we have to give next value, then next value is after space we have call to, then plus, then double quotes, then space, then second column is text, then comma, then space, then plus, then call number 3, then plus, then double quotes, then space, then text. Call number is also text. Then we can give bracket, okay, and we can close it like this. So this is the query, because we have fixed all these things. So table name, then call name means roll number, integer type, then call 2 means name, text type, then call 3 text type. So this way you can create a table, and this table we are going to create here. So SQLite dot, we can change the name also of this. You can put db. It's very easy to learn also. db. So here we can execute a command db dot is SQL, and here we are passing a query to create a table. Again, if you change some version anytime, then on upgrade method will execute, and here what we have to do, we have to drop all the table. Drop table if exist, table name is plus table name, okay. So drop table if exist, and then we have to call on create method and pass db. So this way, if first time you are creating a database, then you have to call execute or on create method. If you change the version of this database 1 2 3, then on upgrade method will call, it will delete all the table. In this program only one table is there, so it will delete this table, and we will execute this on create method again to create a table. So this way we are creating this. Now this is all about to initialize all these things, but now we have to insert one record also. For inserting a record, we have to create a function. Here I am creating a my function insert record, okay. So here what we have to pass? We have to pass int value as a roll number. Then we have to pass string as a name, and we have to pass string as a branch. Okay. Then we have to this return the cursor. It will return the cursor. Cursor is a class. Okay, it will return the cursor, and we have to alt and enter for cursor. The return type is cursor. So what we have to do? We have to record type is long, not a cursor, because we are inserting a value. So that is long. So here we have to insert a record. For that we have to create a content value. Content value CV equal to new content value. Okay. Then CV dot put, and as a key value is a call name. So call 1, and value is roll number, which is coming here as a parameter. Second one CV is put, then call 2, then name is a parameter, CV dot put call number 3, and branch as a parameter. So this way I am creating a content value to insert. Now I need the object of the SQLite database. This object I want for writable permission. So for that I have to create SQLite and database object db equal to this dot get writable database. So I need the permission of writing database. So this way I will execute a command insert. So in this insert I will pass the table name, first parameter, second name is null, and third name is content value, which I am passing the CV. So this is the way, and this particular function going to return a long value, that is check. Okay, and I am returning the value, return this check. Okay, this check if is -1, then there is no record inserted. If is more than -1, then record have been inserted. So here I will insert a record, and I will call this method of this class and check whether record is inserted or not. For that I am using a insert method dot set on click listener, new on click listener. Then here I have to call the class object. So the object is my database helper. So my db equal to new my database helper, and here we have to pass the this because it's a context. Now here I will use this. So long, here again I am using check variable, then my db dot insert record, and here I have to pass the roll number. So roll number is my roll number dot get text. Actually I have to convert this into integer first of all. So here int roll number r number equal to roll number dot get text, and then dot to string, and this I have to convert into integer. So integer dot parse int, and here I have to pass the parse int. Okay, so first parameter is roll number r number, second parameter is name dot get text dot to string, third parameter is branch dot get text dot to string. So this way I am passing a 3 parameter in this function, and it will return the value. If the check is check is equal to -1 means there is no record available, record is not inserted, else record is inserted. So for that I am creating a one dialog box function. So here I am creating a one function. So public display message function. Okay, in this function I will pass two parameters, string title and string message. Okay, one by one. So this is void, no return type. So I have to create a alert dialog box here. Alert dialog dot builder equal to new alert dialog dot builder, and here we can put main activity dot this. Okay, now builder dot title, set title is here which we are passing. Then builder dot set message also we have message. Okay, then builder dot set cancelable, true, we can cancel the dialog box whenever we require somewhere else. Then what is coming, then alert dialog equal to builder dot create, then alert dialog dot show. Okay, so this way we have to show. Here I will use this display method, display message, and here I will say error. Okay, and I will pass no record not inserted. Okay, here display message, and here I'm passing info. Okay, second is record inserted. Okay, so this way I designed to insert the value in SQLite. Now we see the output. Now you see the result. We put roll number 2, name suppose Sachin, Kumar, and branches BTech, and insert. You say info record inserted. So that's way record have been inserted. So you can use SQLite. In next video I will use the display also. So whenever you click on display, it will show you the number of record those I have inserted. So by this way you can make your SQLite ready for your application. See you in next video, in which I will make a code of display your record from the SQLite.